How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 56 Chevy 210 done in Matador Red with the black and white interior. Super nice little car. So all the chrome, the grille, everything in this car is excellent. It's all been redone. This car had a complete frame off restoration about 10 years ago. Looks like it was just done. Car's real straight and flat down the sides. We've actually owned the car twice. The gentleman enjoyed it for a year or so, traded it in on another one. Super nice car. The underside of this car is painted like the top. It's got all the like oxide primer underneath, black frame. It's got all the glass has been smoke tinted. Got 327 4-barrel, it's 4-speed. Got the aluminum intake and electronic ignition in it. Power disc brakes. It's got the roller bearing idler arm, so the thing steers real easy and nice. Aluminum radiator and everything. Nice set of American racing wheels on it. It's got a Muncie M21 4-speed in it. Tell you, it's just a really cool car. Interior in the car is gorgeous, excellent condition. It's got the, updated with some front seat belts in it. Trunk's all finished and painted real nice. Got nice factory jack and it's got spare. Very nice. Have to apologize, it is a little cold today. I think we're up to about 29 degrees right now, but we got sunshine. Got a nice vintage aero tach. Gauge is nicely mounted under the dash. AM FM cassette radio. Tell you, the interior in this car is in excellent condition. Very nice car. All the glass, everything in this car is very nice. Fires right up. Tell you, the car's really straight down the sides. Very nice car, guys. Got real good sound out the back. A nice little cam and stuff in it. Cool car. A little rusty on the 4-speed there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.